Well, it's a beautiful day in Sooke here, and we're getting ready to wash the back of the motorhome using a product called 30 seconds, or better yet, gone in 30 seconds. And this is what it looks like there. We're going to use that pump sprayer to spray it, and there's some containers that we can dip the brush in there. We've got the brush. The brush really helps loosen it up. And this side here hasn't been done. So this is a before look here at the back and the driver's side that hasn't been done yet. And you can see the slimy green algae that grows on it, and it cakes the wheels and the tires and the rims as well. Actually, it algae actually growing on it. So here's the front. I've done it a brief little going over, and here's this side. We've done this side here, and this is what it looks like. It's going to be worth painting the cab on this one, I think, because the rest of it looks pretty good for a 1983 vintage. And here's how the front wheel came up, using mean green cleaner and those 3 brushes there. So this is what we use for cleaning these tires and the wheels here on Budget Traveler. Stay tuned for more new and exciting tips on how to get your old vehicle looking like new. Alright, well, we got lucky with this side here. They were able to come off without breaking any studs after letting the WD-40 sit on there for, probably a good hour or so. This is high-tech WD-40 stuff. This has got the silicone lubricant in it, so that's good stuff. And then we put some Never-Sees on that after, zinc-based Never-Sees. But this was the magic tool, the impact. So we'll try the other side now. See what kind of luck we have over here. Best approach is to tighten them and then loosen them. Tighten them and loosen them if they won't come off, so you don't break the stud. Hey, I got lucky. There we go. Let's see how we make out with the other ones now. Awesome. So you spray it on with the sprayer. And after you spray it on with the sprayer here, then you brush it. You can see the brush just really helps take it right off. And that's how you clean old motorhomes with algae and grime. And then you give her a little rinse, and that's what she looks like. Compared to that, we haven't hit the tire yet, but what a difference the gone in 30 seconds stuff makes. Isn't that amazing? There you go, first-hand look, Budget Traveler. Now we're going to do this side, so stay tuned for that. Well, we've got the passenger side cleaned, and now the back side is cleaned with gone in 30 seconds. The cleaner that gets the algae and that kind of organic growth off. Now we're going to do this side here. The 83 Glendale, 23 foot from bumper to bumper. Let's see how it turns out. Here's what it looks like before. And stay tuned for the after to see what she looks like. Budget Traveler. You never know where we're going to be or who we're going to see. We're out in Sooke today. Beautiful sunny day in October. Gotta love it. Stay tuned for more new and exciting action with the motorhome rehabilitation project. Well, after 3 hours of cleaning these 2 sides here, we've got it looking a little more like a drivable vehicle now. Got the driver's side and the rear cleaned today, so it's looking a little more presentable now. The old 1983 Ford E350 Glendale edition. Well, we're back out at the Motorhome RV project here, and the rear brakes are seized tighter than you know what. So we've jacked them up, and we've got them supported here on these blocks. Here we have a 6x6 block here holding this one up, and over there we've got 4x4 blocks holding those up. So hopefully the ground underneath that is solid, because we got a fair bit of weight here with this RV, and a little bit nervous about crawling under it, but having faith that that load will hold it under there. Let's hope the ground is solid. But we'll let the front brakes unseized now. We got her cleaned up a little bit now. Now it's time to get those back brakes unseized. So this is what we're up to today. Our work ahead of us, getting these big bad boys here unseized. So this is our job today, getting these brakes unseized. They're seized solid. Wish me luck. Stay tuned for more new and exciting videos from Budget Traveler as we keep track of this RV restoration project here in Sooke, BC.